How to add a section in Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create or add a new section in your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you can go ahead to the squarespace.com and then go to your account dashboard. Don't forget to log into your account first. So in this account dashboard, you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. And then in this dashboard, you can go ahead to the website here on the left side. And then go to pages here. And then you can choose the page you want to add the section. So let's say I'm gonna add a new section in my maybe about page. So I'm gonna click about here. And then we can go to edit here to edit the about page. And then as you can see, this is my about page. Basically, there is a three section. This one and this two and three. So yeah. So if you want to add section, you can just click add section here. Maybe you want to, place it in this one. You can just add section. And then there is a lot of option for the section. You can choose, maybe you want to add theme or services, products. Let's say I'm gonna add a portfolio. So I'm gonna add portfolio section. Let's choose this one. I think this is good. And as you can see, this is the section, my new section. So uh, you can modify it. You can just click. Let's say I'm gonna change this title, maybe featured projects or our projects. And then yeah, you can modify anything here. Maybe you want to change the images of this portfolio, and you can also change everything here. You can explore it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.